my student. In this slide, I will explain to you about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the company that has been acquired by the Microsoft. The Microsoft company paid 26.2 billion to buy LinkedIn. LinkedIn is famous for the professional worker. The total number of LinkedIn user is 675 million user. The total number of active user is around 310 million user. More than 70% of LinkedIn users are from outside US. 46 million students and recent college graduates are on LinkedIn. There are 57 of male users and 43% of female users on LinkedIn. Because the LinkedIn is famous for the professional worker, the average income of LinkedIn user is currently stand around 46,000 per year. Most of the college graduates use LinkedIn. So that's why I advise you as my student, you must set up your profile at LinkedIn. Because this is a famous social media platform for professionals. If you want to get a job, if you want to know about the company, so you can go to the LinkedIn and then find out about the company. There are also a lot of leaders at the LinkedIn. They give opinion, they give you the suggestion, they write an article about their point of view at the LinkedIn. So you can also be friend with the top executive at the LinkedIn. 92% of B2B marketers include LinkedIn in their digital marketing. So you should know that digital marketing, if you want to attract mostly the business owner, you must use the LinkedIn platform. What the information that you put at the LinkedIn? Most of the information is about how to or list of the post. For example, how to article, how to make money online, how to start your business online, how to start business after you graduate. This is type of article or how to article that attract people at the LinkedIn. Article without video perform better than those with video. This is because I think that most of the professionals at the LinkedIn, they don't like to watch a video. They love to read the article. So you can also write article without a video. Next, I'm going to explain to you how you want to use LinkedIn in business. The first one, you must have a profile at the LinkedIn. Then, after that, you can also create a company profile at the LinkedIn and then tell a story about your company. Create how your company been founded, how you want to move your company to the higher level. This is very important for you to explain about your company at the LinkedIn profile. And then always tap and leverage on the LinkedIn group. There are a lot of LinkedIn group in the internet. So join all the LinkedIn group that related to your field, that related to your profile, so that you can have a very good network and very good collaboration. Showcase your product and service at your profile. What your expertise, what you can do, what is your skill. Showcase your product and what kind of service that you can offer This is the thing that you must put in your LinkedIn profile. You can also use LinkedIn to boost your company SEO. SEO stands for the search engine optimization. You can use LinkedIn to boost up your SEO so that the people searching for your company, they will find you at the search engine as well. Next, you can learn and understand who reading, what type of post that they are reading. Find out who is reading. So you will know that the person is reading what information, what post that become important to you. And then after that, you can also promote your page to gain more followers. Promote your page so that the people know about your business and then also know about your service. Make sure that you publish valuable content. For example, article, blog post, or infographic. This will attract a potential collaboration or maybe the potential customer as well. LinkedIn also provide data analytic and also algorithm so that you will know about your company, who like your company, and then who like your content, who like your video, who like your infographic. You must also launch LinkedIn advertising. Just like other social media platform, they have also they have their own also their own advertising. So you can launch, you can learn how to use LinkedIn advertising. You can also pay for LinkedIn Premium. LinkedIn Premium costs around less than 30 US dollar monthly. So when you pay the premium, you can connect with all the professional bodies outside. Next, I'm going to explain to you what is the pro and cons LinkedIn in the business. The pro of LinkedIn in the business, the data is very large and all the professional organization, all the professional person, all the top management mostly at the LinkedIn. So it is a very huge database. And then most of the people at the LinkedIn, they are professional. They want to do business. So it's a very safe environment to do business over there. So even if you want to expand your business, this is the social media that you must use. You can also use LinkedIn to target exact audience in your field. By using this, you can know that people that subscribe or maybe follow your page, you can target exact audience. Lastly, you can use LinkedIn to improve your SEO and also online visibility of your product and also your service. This is very important for the long term. I always advise my students optimize and also learn how to use the LinkedIn so that they can know the value of it. However, there are also a con when you want to use LinkedIn. Number one is it's quite expensive. When you want to launch your advertising, it take a lot. It will cost you a lot of money as well, and then it's quite expensive compared to the other social media platform because this is one is professional, so they charge you a premium price for this. And then you can see that most of the user they enroll for the LinkedIn just want to search a job or they want to do a job hunting. This is also one of the things that you must know. They don't want to do business, they just want to change a job, they want to get a better offer a better pay for their job. And then using the video advertisement also, there is some cases mentioned about the lagging issue. So basically because the LinkedIn is not made for the video marketing strategy. If you want to use video marketing, you have to use YouTube. So there is a lagging issue when you want to launch video video ad. Next, there is a hidden expenses that you must aware. It is free when you want to register for LinkedIn account. It is free. You don't have to pay. However, there is a hidden expenses you must pay. For example, you want to pay for the premium LinkedIn premium. It costs you around 30 US dollar monthly. So it is cost that you must aware and you must willing to pay. And then the last one about the incomplete profile. Most of the profile at the LinkedIn, they're not complete. They will not have picture, they will not have their email, they will not have the company that are working. So it's not complete. So even though it's safe to do a business over there, but this is also take time to know and then to get the information using the LinkedIn. Because the LinkedIn have been acquired by the Microsoft, so I give you the quote from Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft. If your business is not in the internet, then your business will be out of business. That is for my slide regarding the LinkedIn. I see you again. All the best. Thank you.